We often get asked, why does it cost so much to fix my car? This customer came in with nothing more than a simple oil leak, which you can see there's no engine. We have to pull the entire powertrain out of their car in order to remove the engine to fix the oil pan leak that was on their car. This is part step one of what it takes to do this repair and why it costs so much money. This is step two as to why it costs so much to repair your automobile. After we drop the engine out of the car by dropping the cradle with the transmission and engine together, we separate those, then we bring the engine into the repair bay. We actually disassemble the engine in order to do the oil pan repair. On top of all the components that we have to use to repair this, which is part of your parts cost, and all the labor that's intensified in redoing the repair, this is one of the reasons why it's so expensive to get some of your car repairs done. So if you really cherish your car, sometimes it's worth putting the extra money into to make sure your car lasts you a long time. And oh, by the way, thank you, Kim, for making me do another one of these wonderful videos.